Welcome to Stay Tuned's Garage. My name is Alex. Today we're going to be upgrading this little car over here. If you guys don't know, this is my 1996 Ford Mustang GT. I bought this car for $500. Four? I think he was asking like 6, 7, and I gave him like 5. I don't even remember. But it's a $500 car, which means this car was nasty as hell. As you can see, I replaced the door on it, and the interior of this car is gross. It's bad. The carpet is horrible, super dirty. Back seats are like disgusting. Like the whole interior is horrible on this car, which, I mean, it's a $500 car. What do you expect? Steering wheel's disgusting. I need to change this out for sure. Door cards, look at that. But yeah, so it's a nasty car. But I was rolling around the junkyard the other day, and I came across this 1998 Ford Mustang that had a beautiful, dirty, like dusty, but very, very nice interior that was all black. So, being the guy that I am, I was like, you know what? I could see myself driving in this interior. So I bought it. All of it. Well, not all of it. I bought the carpet, I bought the seats, I bought the rear seats, and I bought like all the trim inside except for the door cards and the dash. That's all I didn't buy. Oh, and the steering wheel. Steering wheels are hard. I think I'm gonna have to buy an aftermarket one to make this one look nice. But yeah, so I have a brand new interior to throw in the car, brand new with air quotes. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling this one apart, and we'll go from there. Alright, so first things first, I gotta get the seats out of here, because without taking the seats out, I can't take the carpet out, and I'll have easier access to the back seats. So, first bad thing about this car, the electric motor in the seat doesn't work. This little thing over here doesn't move it back or forth, so it's basically like a fixed seat. Crappy thing about that is the bolts for the seat are like halfway through the seat. So I'm gonna have to get a wrench in there and destroy my hands while I loosen it. So that's gonna be fun. But first step, take the seats out and go from there. Boom, just like that. We got the old seat out, and look at all this crust under here. So I don't know if I've ever mentioned this either, but ever since I got the car, I've had the car for 2 years, almost exactly. I think it was like November of 2017 that I bought it. I've had this car for so long, and I not once cared to clean it, because I knew that I just didn't, I don't know. I have no words. But yeah, crusty as fuck. Let's go ahead and take the other seat out. Take the console out. And like these side trims, door trims, whatever they're called, and then we can get the carpet out. So yeah, gonna go ahead and do that side. We'll be right back. Boom, seat number 2 done. All right, gotta take the center console out, shift knob, and that whole bezel out with it. Take that trim apart, the trim right there as well, door trims, or freaking these trims, you know what I mean. Take the bottom seat out so we can get the carpet out through there. And yeah, we're getting pretty close. Give you guys a little update in a minute. Boom, center console out. Boom, trim piece out. Trim piece out. Now we take out this seat and that trim piece. And boom, no back seats, no back trim. We still have the top trim that has to stay, just because I don't want to, because it's still black and it's still fine. So now all we gotta do is just take the carpet out. We got a couple pieces of trash and stuff to move around. Ooh. Looks like the previous owner liked himself some Stella. Not a bad choice. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and pull the carpet. There's a couple clips here and there. There's like one right there. You can see a little plastic clip. It's like one up front, I think, and then a couple on each side. I already took, there was 3 back here. I already took all those off. Once I do that, carpet just pulls right up. I think I'm gonna have to cut it in there though, because there's, if you can see, the carpet is intact here, and there's no way to like take this bracket off because it's riveted onto the transmission tunnel. So I think I have to cut the carpet there. That's what I did with the other one, which shouldn't be a big deal. Oh, and take all the seat belt clipper things off. And yeah, so once I do that, pull the carpet and we'll be good to go. And just like that, we have no more carpet and the car is stripped. Yeah. Hey, the good thing about it is I seem to have hit the jackpot. Got a bunch of coins right here. Got a bunch over here too, and a couple of those are quarters, so I might be able to get myself a milkshake or something after this. Yeah, super dirty. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just clean everything up. Yeah, so I think I'm just gonna clean it up right now. Just cause why not? There's so much filth in here. I feel like I'm gonna get the Zika virus or something just being in here. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just clean it up. Just pick up all the big trash and vacuum out all the small stuff. And then go ahead and throw all the new stuff in it. Alright, and just like that, it is all cleaned up. Everything looking nice and clean. No miscellaneous trash lying around. And also, look, I found me a little pack of gum with 3 still in it. You guys think it's still good? Comment down below. Alright, so here is the new interior for the car. Leather seats, all black, black carpet, black trim, black center console. So the only things in the car that are going to stay gray for now are the door cards, dashboard, and steering wheel. But there is a plan to replace all of those things that I just mentioned. Door cards, I would have loved to taken the door cards out of the car that I took all this stuff from. However, the door cards are, these are 20-year-old cars, and the design on the door cards is not the best. They're like a fiberglass like backing with plastic, and it always cracks, and then whenever you grab the door, you open and close the door, it just creaks and creaks, and it's really annoying. So my plan is to get some aftermarket door cards, not like the type you'd see on a drift car, which is just like a piece of sheet metal. They're like actual nice ones that'll be all black and fit the interior. Also, new steering wheel that's black. I'm gonna have to buy an airbag that's black, but we're also gonna need a new dashboard that's all black, and I already have something in store for that. So at some point, everything in the inside is going black, but for now, we're just gonna keep a handful of things, just a handful of things gray in the meantime while I save money and to buy this stuff. So yeah, so now let's go put all of that stuff right there into the car. Alright, here is the black carpet. Actually looks way dirtier in the camera than it does in real life. But black carpet, and this could all still be cleaned as well. I didn't really clean it. All I did was just vacuum it. So it is a junkyard car, so there is still some like dirt and gunk and stuff, but it's, what I've noticed is most of it is under the seats, which is fine, no one sees under there. And then where the feet go, right there. But everywhere else is for the most part clean. And then look at these back seats. They're so nice. And that black trim, just black, no gray till you look over here, but all black. It's great. So I just got to keep going. Got to get Back seats in. Gotta get the center console, all the trim in, and we'll be good to go. All right, we got the new center console in. You can see it's all black. It's a little dirty, but that can all be cleaned up. The trims are in, as you can see over there. Trim. So all we need now is just the seats, and we're gonna be all done. I mean, I'm gonna need to clean all this up. All the tools, all that wiring that I took out, all this trash. But as far as the install goes, we'll be all done. And boom! I think, yeah, we're pretty much all done. As you can see, all black, everything except for steering wheel, dashboard, and door cards. But yeah, this is so sick. The back looks super nice. Like, those seats are really, really nice. The fronts are a little like wrinkly. They got like wrinkles in them. In the leather, they're not like pristine condition. But you gotta realize, these are 21-year-old seats. They're older than, wait. Actually, no, these seats are younger than me. But the carpet is really nice. So, like I said, picture this with nice black door cards. And I believe there's leather in the door cards that I'm planning to get. And then all black dashboard. And black steering wheel, probably like a suede or something of that sort. And then the airbag is the only thing I have problems with, this airbag and that airbag. But I think I could paint them and have them match the interior, the black and everything. And then we're gonna be all set. I am so happy that this happened finally. I've been wanting to do this since I got the car. That was like the plans with the car. Well, it was like I had like one in one. Like, I had two options for the car. I was either gonna go full like race car, gut the interior, bucket seats, and just like you know, like full race car. Or I was gonna make it a nice street car that I could take to the track. So far, life hasn't been how, you know, I'd expect it to be, and you know, everything's been postponed a lot. I've been going to school a lot, working a lot. It's just, there's been a lot on my plate, so this car has been neglected. Like, honestly, it's been neglected a lot. But I don't want to get rid of it. I love this car. I love driving it. So I'm glad I finally got to do something that I've been wanting to do with it, because the interior was so nasty. And now it's borderline nice. All I need is to replace the last nasty parts, and it's gonna be a nice car, at least from the inside, to drive in, like to go with my friends to hang out. I could, you know, bring people in my car and not be like, oh, sorry, it's so gross. You should probably get your self-checked after being in here, because you might have a couple different types of STDs. But yeah, I'm super stoked. To prove how stoked I am, I'm gonna put some pictures on the screen of some selfies I took in the car, because I was waiting for someone's vacuum cleaner to turn off so that I could record this. I just took a couple selfies in the meanwhile. But yeah, this is gonna be it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Next time we're gonna be doing some cool stuff that's gonna go with the interior as well, so we're not done. I mean, I already told you we're not done. We're not done. We still got more stuff to do. I just don't have the parts yet, or the products, or anything like that. But stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Have a good time. Peace.